Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode. Today, I'm going to work on a Christian design for a t shirt. And for those that are new, I developed this program. It is not a software, but it is a program that helps me with my graphic design projects. Because, as many of you know, softwares can be very expensive, and even membership like Canvas, which is really good, or design.com, they're really good, but most of their images are made with AI, as the one I made today, but it's a little expensive long term. So to me, this is the best way for me to avoid all of that because I have everything I need here. So today I'm going to work on a design that I made with AI exactly, but it is not perfect. Let me show you. We gotta remove the background for the image because for this design frame we're gonna need a PNG file with no background. So we gotta remove the background because it is a frame right now. So let's go to the color remover and we're gonna upload the image that I made with AI. And AI is making really good logos, but it's still not perfect. You can tell that it still has some misspelled issues here. And this was like the sixth try. I tried many times, and it came out spelling wrong again and again until I got it the closest one. However, I do think it's going to get better because AI is just brand new and it's starting to explode, and it's getting better, but it's not there yet. So anyway, the first thing I'm gonna do is add some brightness to my image because I only want to save this design and not the background, which is white now. So let's go to the color picker and choose exactly that white color, which is the color we want to remove. And you're gonna see the red screen now. That means that the background has been removed. And now we're going to download this image. So download. And by the way, guys, if you like this video, I appreciate if you give us a like, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, I will be uploading new tutorials on how my program works. And now I added some new features like you can now add like an outline to your PNG, and you can circle text, you can curve text, and many other options for the text editor section too. And now we have the black background for the frame or white background depending on your design that you're planning to work. Let's turn on the black background and let's upload our design, and we're gonna make it big. The scroller for the size for the PNG are gonna be down here. Let's make it a little bigger, and yeah, that's good. And that looks good. Let's watch this on a white background. This is how it's gonna look. Let's say on a white T-shirt, black T-shirt. However, I think I can add some color with the color picker for the PNG. Let's turn this design white and let's see how it looks like. It looks nice. I think it looks good. Now let's do this maybe black, and let's turn on the white screen or a white background. Yeah, it looks good. I think it looks good. However, it came with some distressed effect, but it's not enough. Good thing I have this option on my system. On special tools, you can add distress to your image, like a paint distress effect. You can also blend colors, like two or three colors you can blend in with your design. I already explained all of these tools in other videos. So let's add some distress to this image, and let's go to filter image. We can start with this 0.5. This is the size of the spots that we're about to add. So let's add the screen spots. They're still small. So let's try one. And if we need more, we can add the thickness more. Let's do 2. I think 2 looks good. So let's download. And it's going to download. Alright, so let's go back and let's turn back on our black screen, and let's upload the distress image. Make it big, of course, and that looks good. Now you can see the distress more. Let's turn this white because it looked like a clip art before. Oh, this is for the text. I got the wrong one. Okay, the PNG. There we go. See, now it looks more distressed than it looked previously. So good thing I have this option for my design frame. I think I like this color too. I always like yellow on black t-shirts. I think that's a cool color, or like a gold color, almost like raw gold or Texas, what they call Texas orange look. I think this one looks good. This is the one I was telling you guys. Let's add some, let me show you another cool feature that I added to my design frame. And let's add a black outline, or I'm sorry, white outline. So let's increase the thickness and start adding the white outline. There's no outline right now. And just click, and it added some thickness here. Let's click more, and it added more now. So now we can download this image, and let's check out how it looks like. And it looks perfect. I think I like this color. It depends on what combinations you want, but if you want to start a t-shirt business, and you don't want to spend crazy money, I'm thinking of starting like a one-time payment, not membership like other companies. Like you just pay one-time payment and you can use this as long as my website lives. And I'm not saying that, it's not gonna last, because I use this website for other, like printing and other like graphic design purpose. So uh, for sure, I'm planning to stay for as long as I can. So it's one-time payment, because I don't want to do membership, because uh, I don't want you to pay too much in a long term. So if you want to use this program and you just want to do like side hustle like t-shirts, this will be perfect for you. Let me show you something. Let's say that you create your images on AI, or like ChatGPT makes you like free images, and I already show you how you can remove the background, and you want to just do this one color. You can just download this, and for a project you just download it, and you can go to there's many websites. There's one called ProWorld.com. They sell you transfers, DTF transfers, screen printing transfers, all kinds of transfers. I think I spelled it wrong. Let me check. Pro World Incorporation. That's probably why. All right. Anyway, so let's go to the custom transfers, and let's click on it, and let me show you. This frame, the design frame, is made exactly for a square, so it is exactly how it's gonna look like. So you go to Pro World, and it's gonna give you that option to choose the 12 by 12, which is the same size as my design frame. You don't want to buy a software. You only want heat press. So whenever you get your transfer, you just buy that heat press, and you have your designs ready. Just go to design transfer, and you don't have to pay that fee if you have to remove your background. You already did with this program. We're gonna go to Logo Maker, which is the design that we make with Distress, and upload it. And then now it's gonna ask if we want to keep the original color. Yes, continue. And what color do we want? Just one color. And it's going to give us more options. You can do more colors. It's gonna be one transfer. One color design, but you have to choose which color you want, depending on where you're planning to put your transfers on. You can choose like a dark color, or just keep it black. We're gonna keep it black finish. And then now, because this company requires you to have a PNG file with no background, which is exactly what my system does. This is a perfect size for this, and you could add more stuff here. As you notice, there was more space here. You can um, edit something else with the text editor, add a font or something, I don't know. Then you can proceed to place your order, how many transfers, and all of that. So anyway, hopefully you guys like this video, and if you did, give me a like, subscribe. I will be making more tutorials for t-shirt designs using AI, or even getting some like PNG real images, transforming them into clip arts, because my system can do that. But I will be uploading more tutorials. Thank you guys.